Jamaican chocolate two ways. First, I'm gonna prepare a cup of hot chocolate and then a glass of cold chocolate. So in a saucepan with 1.5 cups of water, I added a few cinnamon leaves, then cover the saucepan and allow the cinnamon leaves to boil for about 5 minutes to infuse the flavor into the water. So after 5 minutes, add one chocolate ball and cover the pot and allow the ball to boil until it dissolves. So that will take like 5 minutes. So after ensuring that the ball is dissolved, then remove from it, then strain. Then I added a little bit of coconut milk. This is optional. Give it a good stir. I use brown sugar to sweeten the chocolate. Some people use sweetened condensed milk. Now give it a good stir and then pour into a mug and enjoy a mug of hot chocolate, or allow it to cool and then pour into a glass with ice, or you can pour it into a glass and put it to chill and enjoy a cold glass of chocolate. Any which way, it is totally delicious.